Welcome to Angkor Wat, the biggest religious building in the world, and we are here for sunrise. Check out all the crowds to make the perfect sunrise picture at Angkor Wat. It's 6:30 and there's so many people here for sunrise. Look at all the people standing there at that lake. That's where we were before as well. And now we're going to enter the temple here. We're now inside the temple, which is a huge complex, even bigger than the Vatican. And as you can see behind me, there are a lot of renovations going on at the moment. Something I find very interesting is that all of these stones are that black. It's really dark, which gives it a special look. I wonder if after renovations it's gonna look that black, or it will be like cleaned up and look more white like this. I've seen pictures where you can climb up these stairs, these very steep stairs going all the way up there. But now it's not allowed anymore, which is logical. It's actually pretty peaceful here. This was built as a Hindu temple in the 12th century and then converted to a Buddhist temple in the 13th century. There's someone coming down from the stairs. From the old stairs, not the new ones. Normally we should be able to go up here from 6:40 a.m. It is now almost 7, so it should be open. It's not Holy Day as far as I know. I just asked these guys behind me. Apparently today is Buddha Day. And once a week it's Buddha Day. It's not always the same day apparently. But that's why it's closed. Wow. Sunrise at Angkor Wat. When you come to Angkor Wat, be prepared for a lot of stairs. There are lots of stairs and they are steep. But it is beautiful. It's incredible, guys. And you can walk almost anywhere here. There are not many restrictions. You can walk on these old stones. You can touch everything. Wow. Amazing, guys. Bye bye, Angkor Wat. Up to the next temple. Having a little sandwich here with Louisa right in front of Angkor Wat. How cool is this? And we have all these little shops here. Number 2, number 3, number 4, but just like that in these stands, they're all the same places. And we are at Jack Sparrow, number 3, Mr. John, Lily. And next to us is Harry Potter. Here we have Superman, James Bond, anything you want. Having a little coffee here as well. What a beautiful life, guys. Amazing.